Hi, my sweets. Happy Thursday. Today, what you need is your packet, your pencil, and your name tag. Packet, pencil, and your name tag. Today, I'm going to be using a green marker for my pencil. I want you just to use your regular pencil. However, I'm using green because my black marker is running out of ink. But you're just going to use your regular pencil. I'm using a marker because it's easier for you to see on the camera. So you're going to find Thursday. You colored and cut out these pictures. You colored and cut these out for me. I want you to turn to your math facts page right here. We're going to work on this. You can write your name at the top. It says 54A. Ooh, this works much better than the black marker that was dying. And you were going to do these top two rows by yourself. I'm going to work with you on the bottom two. All right, so you need your name tag. We're going to be starting down here closer to the bottom with 8 minus 1. So if it says 8 minus 1, what's the first thing I do? I circle that minus sign. Means I'm losing some, so I touch 8. And if I lose when I get a smaller number, I hop backwards. 1. I'm at 7. 4, and I lose 1. What do? Circle that minus. I touch 4, and I'm losing 1. I'm hopping backwards. Ready, go. 1. What number am I at? 3. 10, and I lose 1. What do I need to do first? Circle that minus. Touch number 10, and I take 1 away. Ready, go. 1. What number am I at? 9. Okay, 3, and I lose 1. What do I need to do? Circle that minus. 3, touch 3 and take 1 away. Ready, go. 1. What number am I at? 2. 1, and I lose 1. Circle that. Minus. All right, 1, and I lose that 1. How many do I have left? If I touch 1 and I take 1 away, now I'm at 0. Now, if you'd like to draw a line under those numbers, you can, because now we're going to be getting more. It says pluses. So now we're going to be hopping bigger numbers. I wrote those plus and minus and drew those arrows on my number line. If you need your grown-up to do that for you, have them do that. 1 plus 9, what's the first thing I do? Circle that plus. I'm going to start at 9 and hop 1 more. Touch 9 on your name tag. Hop 1 more with me. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 10. 1 first and then a 0. Write neatly. 8 plus 8 equals, do you remember that, doubles? Circle that plus. If you don't remember, touch 8. You need to hop 8 more. Hop 8. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. 5 plus 1, what do? Circle that plus. Touch 5 on my name tag. I'm going to hop 1 more. Hop 1 more with me on your name tag. Ready? Go. 1. I'm at number 6. 7 plus 0, what do? Circle my plus sign. Cross off my 0. And it stays at 7. 9 plus 9, what do? Circle that plus. 9 plus 9 equals, if you don't remember, touch and count. Hop. Start at 9 and hop 9 more. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number are we at? 18, a 1 and an 8. Do not make two circles. Nope, nope. I'm going to start marking that half off. You need to make an 8, like make an S and go back home. Mrs. Strong and I, the other 5K teacher, and I talked about this. Lots of our kids are making snowmen 8s. Make an S and go back home. What you are going to do is finish these math facts up here. They're all minus. Finish these. Pause me now. Finish those math facts. You have to do them. All right, my loves. Just put your packet away, or just push it away for right now. I want you to pretend I have an imaginary line down my face. So I'm going to use this as the line. So if I put this, let me sit right in front of you. If I put this right down the middle of my face, what do you notice about my face? Yeah, this line cuts my face right in half. Now you see that both halves are exactly the same. Look. What do you see on both sides that's exactly the same? I have an eye on both sides, don't I? I have half a nose on one side and half a nose on the other side. I have half a smile on one side, half a smile on the other side. What else do I have that's the same on both sides? I got an ear on one side and an ear on the other. This line that cuts my face exactly in half and both sides are exactly the same is called a line of symmetry. Say symmetry. This is not a line of symmetry because this half of my face is not the same as this half. Because look at now over here I have no eyes or half an eye, and over here I have 1.5 eyes. I got no nose over here and a whole nose over here. A line of symmetry is right down the middle where both sides are exactly the same. I want you to look up here. What did I just draw? I drew a Christmas tree, yeah. Now, I want you to tell me, where is the line of symmetry in this Christmas tree? Where can I draw my line so that both sides are exactly the same? Can I draw my line here? No, this does not look the same as this. This has a tree trunk. There's no tree trunk up there. Can I draw my line of symmetry right here? No, because this has just 3 little points. It doesn't have half of the tree. This has more of the tree. Can I draw my line of symmetry right here? Yes, straight down the middle. So both sides are exactly the same. So watch, if you were here, I'd have you come up to the board. I'd pick children to come up and draw a line of symmetry straight down the middle. Both sides are exactly the same. Look at pokey part, pokey part, pokey part, pokey part, pokey part, pokey part, half the tree trunk, half the tree trunk. It's exactly the same. A line of symmetry cuts a picture right in half. Both sides are exactly the same. Say line of symmetry. That is our learning target for today, is you will draw a line of symmetry. Let's do one more and then you will actually draw your own line of symmetry. Okay? All right, I want you to help me. I'm drawing 4 squares. Where can I draw a line of symmetry so that each side is the same? We're going to start here. I can draw a line of symmetry where? Can I do it here? No, because then this side just has a little bit and this side has a lot. I need to do it right in the middle. So I'm going to go middle, top to bottom. Well, let's try that again. There we go. Line of symmetry. Now I want to make this one different. Where's another line of symmetry? Where can I cut it in half so that both sides are exactly the same? Another line of symmetry. If you were here, I'd give you the marker and you get to come up to the board. Watch, I can go straight through the middle this way. That is a line of symmetry. This top half is the same as this bottom half. This wouldn't be a line of symmetry. No, because both sides need to be exactly the same. This one's skinny and this one's really big. You need to draw it in the middle. Where's another line of symmetry that's different? Not top to bottom and not side to side. Where's another line of symmetry? This one's tricky. This one's diagonal. That means I would go corner to corner. How about the last one? Where's a different line of symmetry? Look at this one's a triangle. Here's the same size triangle. Line of symmetry. How about this one? Yeah, I can do the other corner to the other corner. Awesome. My loves, these are all lines of symmetry because they all cut these squares in half. You got it. Say line of symmetry. All right, you are going to practice this. What I would like you to do is you need to go get your scissors and your packet. So grab your scissors. This is going to be so fun. And your packet. You need to listen carefully to my directions or this will not work. You just finished all your math facts. You need to do this. If you didn't, I want you to turn to the next page. You have a picture right here. I want you to tear it off. Do not open it up. Do not. This is scrap paper. I'm just going to show you, leave yours closed. Everybody has the same. On the back is just an old scrap coloring paper that says fall. That's it. You need to leave it folded. Now, what you are going to do is you are going to keep your scissors right on this pink line. You're not opening it up. You're going to keep it folded. And you are going to cut right on that pink line. So you're just going to keep it folded and cut. Do it with me. Ready? Go. Cut right on that pink line. This is why we practice cutting and reading and Bible lessons so that you can do this. All right. What I want you to do next, once you have it all cut out, you should be almost done. Because then I want you to open it up. Keep it on the white side. Don't open it up to the picture side. What shape did we make? What shape did we cut out? A heart. I want you to put your heart down on the table. I'm going to erase these. Put your heart down on the table. I'm scribbling on the whiteboard right now so that I can put my heart on the board and you can see it. Because white is hard to see on white, but if I put white on a color, now you can see it. You have your heart right down on the table. What I would like you to do is take any color crayon. Pick any color crayon that you would like. I'm taking orange. I want you to trace the line of symmetry. Where do you see the line of symmetry that cuts the heart right in half? Right here down the middle. I want you first just to trace it with your finger. Trace this line of symmetry right down the middle. Do you feel that bump where I folded it? That's the line of symmetry. This half is exactly the same as this half. That is a line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is not right here. It can't be. This part is so small and this would be so big. That's not the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry goes right down the middle. And the line of symmetry can't be here because then the top has two bumps and the bottom has no bumps. The bottom has a point and the top doesn't have a point. So with a line of symmetry, both need to be the same. Take your crayon now and trace the line of symmetry. Stay right, whatever color you picked, Stay right on that line of symmetry. Don't draw on mommy, daddy, granny's table. Awesome. Boys and girls, you have one whole heart, but this line of symmetry cuts it in half. With the crayon that you took out, I want you to write your name on one half, one of the two pieces. So I'm going to choose this half. Write your name on one half. The other half we are going to leave blank. Say line of symmetry. It cuts things exactly in half. You got it. You are going to keep this because your parent is going to upload a picture of it. Okay? So keep this. You're going to have 3 things uploaded. Your heart with your line of symmetry and your name on one half. 2 halves make one whole heart. Okay? When you cut something in half, there's one half, one half. What we're going to do now is do our math worksheet. We completed our learning target. You did. You just drew a line of symmetry on your heart. What I would like you to do is take out your packet and you're going to write your name at the top here on 54, on 54A, and just wait for me, please. All right. Scoot you closer. Grab this. Here we go. You should have your name at the top. We need to write the date for today. Today is December 10th. What do we write first for the month of December? Yeah, we're going to write uppercase D. D-E. What goes next? Lowercase e. Write little and small so you can fit it all on one line. D. What 2 letters make that S sound? C. E. Decem. M. December. B. What letter says B? B. December. What 2 letters say E. R. Today is the 10th, so we need to write a 10 on that same line. A 1 first and then a 0. Don't forget your cute little comma. And last, you need your year. Year. Your 2020. Okay, today is Thursday. My turn first. Thursday. Listen. T-H. Okay, we need to write that. T-H. Uppercase T. Lowercase h. U-R-S. Okay, so we need to write those letters. U. Looks like a smile. R. S. U. R. S. And then D-A-Y. Thursday. We need to write D-A-Y. D-A-Y. All right, I will give you time to finish writing that. All right, what number do you see here at the top of your paper? A 4 and a 9 make 49. So you need to trace the 2 49s and make them 2 times. Make sure the circle for your 9 fills this whole space from top to middle. It shouldn't be this teeny tiny circle in a really long stick. It's not how a 9 looks. A 9 fills that whole top space. I'll give you time to finish. I know I write fast. All right. We need to draw a line between the number 4 and the number 9. Which number is in the tens place? The 4. So we need to write tens. So leave a little space, write a T. You should leave a space here. E, N, tens, S. Remember, we write this because in first grade you're going to be doing a lot of writing. So we got to get you ready. How many, not how many, which number is in the ones place? The 9s. We need to write ones. Well, letter O goes first. Then N. And then E. Ones. Sounds like Z, but it's N. S makes the Z sound sometimes. All right, your story problem says 8 icicles were hanging from the roof. Woo. Now, icicles look like a V. When they hang off a roof, they're pointy. So we're just going to make icicles like this. We're going to go down, up from this top line of the box. Make 8 icicles. Ready? Quietly go. You need 8 of them. Okay. Now, it says 4 icicles fell off the roof. Whew. What are we going to do if 4 fell off? We need to cross them off. We're going to start at the back. Cross off 4. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we need to write our number sentence. How many icicles did we draw first? We drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need to make an 8, like make an S and go back home. No snowman 8s. I'm going to start marking those wrong. You have had, what day of school are we on? 66 days to practice. You can make an 8 like this. We lost some. What sign means we lost some? Minus, minus, minus. And how many icicles fell off? Soon we'll have icicles forming on our roofs. Hopefully not. That means you got a water issue. That water's getting trapped up there. So hopefully you don't have icicles on your roof. I take that back. How many did we cross off? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4 equals, how many icicles are still hanging on the roof? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to write a 4. How many icicles are hanging on the roof now? 4. All right, you need your name tag. It says write the numbers that are 1 more and 1 less. So 9. Here's number 9. What number is 1 less than number 9? There's a line over here. What number would go right over here? Number 8 is 1 less than number 9. It's 1 smaller. What number is 1 more than number 9? Number 10. 8, 9, 10. Then we need to do 13. So find 13 on your name tag. Which number is 1 less? If you took 1 away, what number are you at? 13, and 1 less, you lose 1 is 12. 12, 13. What number is 1 more than 13? 13, and I hop 1 more is 14. All right, listen carefully. It says color the penny brown. If it says color the penny brown, how many pennies are there? You should have nothing in your hands right now. You should be looking at your paper. How many pennies are there if it says color the penny brown? How many pennies do you see? 1. Take out your brown crayon, please. You're only coloring this 1 penny with your brown. Stay in the lines, please. When you're done, take your pencil. You need to draw a line between your dimes and your penny. So we know when to switch counting by tens to ones. How much money is a dime? It's 10 cents. So you're going to write tens on top of all of these dimes. These are all dimes. How much money is a penny? 1 cent. Please put your pencil down because we're going to touch and count with our fingers. Ready? Counting by 10. Set. Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Switch. 61. You got it. Let's do it one more time. Counting by tens and ones. Ready? Tens first. Set. Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Switch. 61. How do I write 61? You got to know now. You got to start knowing these numbers. 1 to 100. You got to know. 61. 60 is a 6. You're going to write it on top of those dimes. 1 means 1. 61. And you cannot forget your cent sign. I'm going to mark it wrong if you forget that. Now it says you need to take out your red. Take out your red crayon. And it says we need to trace the lines of symmetry in each shape with our red crayon. So you see how they drew the line of symmetry down the middle of those shapes? Trace that with your red. You're cutting those pictures right in half. Both sides are exactly the same. You got it. My loves, what you're going to do now is you are going to finish counting by tens by yourself. Fill that in with your pencil. But first, listen carefully. Please tell your grown-up that they need to send me a picture of these 3 things. Your heart with your line of symmetry, your math facts, and your math paper. I need all 3. Your heart, math facts, math paper. You did great today learning about your line of symmetry and cutting out your heart. Thanks, my loves. We'll see you soon. Bye.